Different cultures have their own unique tricks and hacks to address various skin problems. So, get ready to explore 5 amazing techniques from around the world that can help you fight those pesky skin issues. Let's jump right in. First up, we have an ancient Egyptian remedy, aloe vera. This incredible plant is perfect for soothing sunburn or dry skin. Aloe vera has fantastic anti-inflammatory properties, promotes skin hydration, and aids in tissue repair. If you don't have access to an aloe vera plant, you can purchase aloe vera gel from a trusted brand. Simply extract the fresh gel from the plant or use store-bought gel and apply it directly to the affected area. Leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the healing properties to work their magic, then rinse it off with cool water. You can repeat this application as needed for a quick skin pick-me-up. Next, let's travel to Japan for a fantastic remedy, green tea. If you're dealing with acne or oily skin, this one's for you. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and tannins that work wonders in reducing sebum production and inflammation. Brew yourself a nice cup of green tea, let it cool down, and apply it to your face using a cotton ball or spritz it onto the skin for a refreshing spritz. Leave it on for around 10 to 15 minutes to allow the skin to absorb the beneficial compounds, then rinse it off with water. You can incorporate this soothing and clarifying treatment into your skincare routine once daily for clearer, healthier skin. Moving on to India, we have a remedy that tackles hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone, turmeric. This vibrant spice contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and skin-brightening properties. To make a turmeric mask, mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with some milk or honey to form a paste. You can easily grind turmeric powder at home using a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. Apply the paste to the affected areas and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the curcumin to penetrate the skin and work its magic. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and repeat this 2 to 3 times a week to reveal a more even complexion. Let's head to Greece for a sweet solution to dry or damaged skin, honey. This natural humectant is a moisture magnet, attracting and retaining hydration in the skin while promoting healing. Apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face and let it work its magic for 15 to 20 minutes. You can easily find raw honey in your local grocery store or health food stores. Rinse it off with warm water, and you can incorporate this hydrating treatment into your routine 2 to 3 times a week. The antibacterial properties of honey can also help with acne-prone skin, making it a versatile remedy for various skin concerns. Now, we're off to the beautiful Caribbean for a remedy that exfoliates and brightens the skin, papaya. This tropical fruit contains an enzyme called papain, which helps remove dead skin cells, leaving you with a brighter complexion. To create a papaya mask, mash up some ripe papaya until it forms a smooth pulp. You can easily mash it using a fork or blend it in a food processor. Apply the papaya pulp to your face as a mask and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with water. You can use this exfoliating treatment once or twice a week to reveal a radiant glow. If you don't have fresh papaya, you can look for papaya enzyme masks or skincare products that contain papain as an active ingredient. Please note that these remedies have been traditionally used and have anecdotal evidence of their effectiveness, but individual results may vary. If you have any pre-existing skin conditions or allergies, it's advisable to consult a dermatologist before trying any new remedies.